191's going Atlanta with Alpha.
Comair 191, Lexington clearance cleared to Atlanta Airport via Bowling Green, Erlin 2 arrival, maintain 6,000. Expect flight level 27010 minutes after departure. Departure is 120.75, squawk 6641.
Okay, got Bowling Green, missed the other part, 6,000, 20.75, 6641.
Comair 191, it's Erlin 2, Echo Romeo, Lima, India, November 2 arrival.
Hey, Erlin 2, appreciate it, Comair 191.
Ground Comair 191, just give you a heads up on a push.
Comair 191, advisor to taxi.
Roger.
Comair 191 is ready to taxi, we have Alpha.
Comair 191, taxi to runway 22, altimeter 3000, and the winds are 2008.
3000, taxi 22, Comair 191. Trail leisure, Comair 121, ready to go.
Comair 191, Lexington, Tower, fly runway heading clear for takeoff.
Runway heading clear for takeoff.